Hey everybody, this is Doc from Ebony Ivory Cigar Podcast, and today, day 3 of my cigar lounge build out, and we're getting finally our furnace installed. This is a 36,500 BTU Renai furnace. It also has a blower on it, and it's a direct vent, so we will be venting it outside of the space. Brandon, my HVAC guy, is installing this. And it's an overkill for the space, but the intent is that if we have any air seepage, which we anticipate, that the blower and the capacity of the furnace will overcompensate for that. You can always turn the furnace down, but you can't turn it higher than its maximum capacity. So we had our electrical done, we had the flooring done, and now next phase is to put in this furnace. So I keep you guys updated. Have a great day. All right, we're about to start up the furnace for the very first time. This is the furnace startup.
That's it.
Sounds like it took off.
Yeah.
Oh, the burner's lit already? I didn't even hear it.
Silent.
I was waiting for it to go swoosh.
Silent.
It's a silent light. How strong is the fan?
It's pretty not bad actually. Goes out pretty good.
Does it ramp up even more as it gets started? As it keeps going?
I'm not sure. Let's keep out some heat.
Now, what are those different louvers on the front to the right?
So this is just that guy was water. So if there's any water that catches, it's just right there.
Okay.
Evaporates, and then this is just an open bay. There's no louvers in it. It's just straight out from the fan. Comes straight out.
And then I saw in the back it was 2 lift-up screens. Is that just filters?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, now I feel the heat coming out.
Yeah.
I can smell it too.
Getting there now.
Yeah.
Blower definitely kicked up higher after it warmed up.
Yeah.
I'm sneaking behind you.
Go for it. There she is. That's good.